hilarious. Extremely funny. The comedian told a hilarious joke. The movie was so hilarious that I watched it twice. Womble. To feel sick or nauseous in the stomach. My stomach began to womble after I ate too much. The rough boat ride made his stomach womble. Lullaby. A soft, gentle song sung to help a child fall asleep. The soft lullaby helped the baby fall asleep. Grandma sang an old lullaby to her grandson. Glutton. A person who eats much more than they need. My brother is a glutton for desserts. The child was a little glutton when it came to chocolate. Brabble. To argue angrily about something unimportant. Stop brabbling and work together. The two neighbors began to brabble over a parking space. Haphazard. Done without planning, order, or care. He put the books on the shelf in a haphazard way. She packed her suitcase in a haphazard manner. Deceptive. To make someone believe something that is not true. The road looked smooth, but its icy surface was deceptive. The deceptive ad made the product seem better than it was. Mundane. Normal routine, and not interesting or exciting. Washing dishes is a mundane household chore. The job involved many mundane tasks. Convoluted. Very complicated and difficult to understand. He gave a convoluted answer. The plot of the movie was extremely convoluted.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!